So this morning I was finally able to go get my truck. It's been in the shop. It needed a new turbo, which I guess after 262,000 miles, I guess it's okay to put some money back into your truck. Not that I wanted to, but other projects have been on delay because I haven't been able to use my truck to go get stuff and haul the trailer, that type of thing. So today I went and got some boards. These are 2x6 pressure treated. What I'm going to do is I'm going to cut those in half the long way and then use those for posts over to get our lines that we have to suspend a little bit. So get these unloaded, we'll get them cut in half, and then get over to Skip Road to see if we can get that place back together so that we can be ready for sap. I think I've got everything loaded now. I brought my big ladder and my little giant ladder. I don't think I'll need the big one. I think I can get it with the little giant, but if I don't bring the big one, then I will need it. So I don't know. John's coming over to help me at some point. He had an errand to run this morning, and then we should be able to get, I think, everything I need to get done this morning. We'll get that vacuum line put back up. We'll get all those drops cleaned up from the other day, all the old tubing out of the woods. And then I've got a couple other posts that I need to change out. So, well, I don't need to change them. I just need to reattach them where they got pulled off the wire. But I think I should be able to get most of this done before I've got to make a couple deliveries this afternoon. And then, well, the kids have to go to dance. So I get to be the shuttle. Got the woods boss with me, and he'll find something to get into, I'm sure. So with that tree out of the way now, there's that hemlock I cut up. All the pipes just on, well, the one piece of pipes on the ground with the signal wire, the vacuum sensor pipe, as well as the power wire that runs down to the releaser building. So I need to get a wire from that hemlock there, which is almost like 10 feet in the air, over to this one right here. So some of this stuff is still good. As far as like the loop with the ratchet over there, it's just this wire's junk. So I'm going to get all this wire taken out, get the pipes all separated, get the wires separated. Then I can start, put a piece of wire back up, put the pipe up, and then get the two pieces of wire back in the air. All the old ties are off, the old wire's out. I get that cleaned out, got it off the tree back there. Now hang the new wire, but I got my tubing spooler here, which works as a wire spinner. So I'll get the pipe on that now. Well, I'll get the wire on that anyways. Now this is one of them deals where if you buy maple equipment from me, you get to use my tubing spinner for free. But if it comes back broken, I send you a bill. All right, tubing reel's hooked up. Now I gotta come around, drag this wire across here, and then get it up on that tree. And then, like always, just a figure eight follow through around the tree for a knot so that I don't use any fittings. There, that side on the tree, which is kind of like a tail holds up. Now it's just getting this thing into the ratchet. So I'm going to run double wire ties all the way across this, probably about every 2 foot. This pipe doesn't go down too much, but I want to make sure that I've got enough hanging on it for the support. But it's kind of a pain. You kind of got to put your shoulder into it because it's heavy stuff.
Might as well start with this one first.
Yeah, we got plenty of pitch going that way though. So with John's help, we got that put back up. Now we got to go up top because there's some more posts that are done. So we'll skid them up in with the four-wheeler if he doesn't throw me off, and then get those. Then we'll pull out all that old pipe. So make one trip up in and get this all taken care of. We got Dumb and Dumber here. All they want to do is play under our feet, and between the two of them, there's not a complete brain. Got Hansel and Gretel dropping drops on the way up out of here so I can find where you went.
Yep.
There's a wicked belly there, isn't there?
Sure is.
Trying to get these things pitched is miserable.
Seems like right here there's still a little bit of belly. Maybe not. It's hard to tell looking from one to the other.
I know. That's what you from the middle you can't, and then. Did he?
Oh, not
He
too
didn't
bad.
seem to have too much of a hurt foot.
Not too bad. Looks like it's bleeding.
Oh, it's bleeding?
It looks at it, I don't know.
I wonder how they could have done that. I couldn't guess.